Dear St. Andrews School students, greetings of the day. We hope you are staying home and staying safe for the meantime till the schools are not allowed to open. We will study through videos. In our previous video, we discussed about the noun gender. In today's video, I am going to tell you about the noun case. So let's take out a pen and paper and start making points, because in the end of the video I will give you some small assignment. The noun case. Noun cases tells us about the position of the noun in a sentence. There are 4 cases of noun: nominative, objective, possessive and vocative. Objective case divide into 2 main parts: dative and accusative. Other functions of noun is in a sentence: complement of the verb, case in apposition to a noun. Write the definition of case. The category of a noun expressing relation between the thing denoted by the noun and other things, properties or actions. The relation in which a noun or pronoun stands to some other words is called its case. Okay? I am repeating this again. Noun cases tell us about the position of the noun in a sentence. There are 4 cases of noun: nominative, objective, possessive, vocative. Objective case divided into 2 main parts: dative case and accusative case. And other functions of a noun in a sentence: complement of a verb and case in apposition to a noun. Write definition of nominative case. When a noun or pronoun is used as a subject of a verb, it is said to be in the nominative case. The nominative case is the case used for a noun or pronoun which is the subject of a verb. For example, Mark eats cake. The noun Mark is the subject of the verb eats. Mark is the nominative case. For example, Vicky was excited. In this sentence, Vicky is a nominative case. He senses a problem. In this example, he is a nominative case. Next is objective case. Write the definition of objective case. When a noun or pronoun is used as the object of a verb, it is said to be in the objective case. The objective case refers to when a noun or pronoun is used as an object. The object may be a direct object, indirect object, or object of a preposition. A noun is in the objective case when it is used as a direct object of a verb. For example, she threw the ball to her father. He gave ice cream to the child. Write the examples in your notebook. Possessive case. A noun is said to be in the possessive case when it shows the position on anything. It shows either by the use of an apostrophe and s or y the preposition of. The possessive case is used to express that something belongs to someone or to show a relationship between 2 or more people. He showed this ownership by adding an apostrophe and an s to the noun if the noun is a person or an animal. Write the definition of possessive case. There are so many examples of possessive case like dog's house, girl's doll, my mom's bag. These are some examples of singular noun. Boy's ball, women's bag. These are some examples of plural noun. Write all the examples in your notebook. So class, assignment time. First question is, what is the case of a noun? What is the case of a noun? How many kinds of noun case? Write only names. How many kinds of noun case? Write only names. What is objective case? Explain with example. What is objective case? Explain with example. Explain nominative case with example. Explain nominative case with example. What is an example of a possessive noun? What is an example of a possessive noun? So, to your assignment in notebook. In our next videos, we will discuss more topics of English grammar. Till then, stay safe, stay home. Thank you.